By now, you most definitely heard of the coronavirus, also being referred to as COVID-19. The media has had the public concerned and in panic mode since about early January with this new unknown virus. The virus originated in China, infecting a now total of 80,000 people and causing a city of 11 million people to be put on lockdown. However, the lockdown came a bit too late, and the virus has started to spread all over the world and is slowly making its way just about everywhere. Although some may see it all as hype, sports organizations are not taking the chance and not playing around with the virus. New Japan Wrestling and other organizations all over the world have already canceled several shows over the past month, and there is now a realistic discussion about the Olympics in Japan also being canceled later on this summer. If you can recall WWE Super Showdown, you might remember seeing a lot of Saudi Arabia citizens in the front row, all wearing the protective surgical masks, and that was all due to the fear of the virus. The media has hyped up several viruses and illnesses in recent years, but people seem to be really concerned about this specific one. Just go to your local pharmacy. They're probably already low or out of stock on hand sanitizers, sprays, masks, gloves, soaps, and all of the other sanitary items. Radio stations, news outlets, social media, and even more platforms are all warning individuals to stay safe and keep their hygiene up. People are just running to clean out all the stores for these supplies. Things are getting so hectic with the lack of supplies that regular sized hand sanitizers, which often cost a few dollars, have now hit a reselling market for over $200 each. So, as a result of the fear, a lot of big events are in danger of being canceled for safety reasons. One of these events is, of course, WrestleMania, a wrestling event where people from all over the world come to watch. WrestleMania, which is just in a few weeks, is in danger of being canceled if this outbreak continues to get worse. Cases are still bad in homeland China, but it's reported that things are calming down just a bit over there. However, the United States seems to be in the early stages of their own outbreak of the virus. The virus is popping up in multiple states, with the US cases now being in the hundreds and growing more and more by the day. There's already several confirmed cases in Tampa Bay, Florida, which is, of course, the hometown of WrestleMania 36, so that has many concerned. Not only is the virus all over the states and in the location of WrestleMania 36 itself, but you also have to remember all of the fans coming in from all over the world for WrestleMania. With several travel limits and travel bans starting to go out, you just have to wonder if this is going to prevent any fans from flying in for WrestleMania. It was reported that the WWE held a long meeting with all their talent recently about the coronavirus, and it was the main topic of discussion in the meeting. Superstars asked questions and shared their concerns, while WWE reportedly shared information and advice on how the superstars can protect themselves. WWE superstars are heavily at risk because of their jobs and just what they have to do on a daily basis. Superstars are non-stop traveling all over the country and even out of the country. So WWE wants them to be extremely cautious. Not to mention that WWE superstars are going to have a lot of fan interaction in the upcoming weeks leading to WrestleMania, so they have to stay safe. During WrestleMania week, WWE has their special access event where superstars will spend hours meeting and interacting with thousands of fans. So that could be a huge concern as well. Stephanie McMahon straight up addressed the situation and rumors of WrestleMania being canceled during a recent event and had this to say about the situation. The health and safety of not only our fan base, but also our superstars really does come first. We don't want to put anyone in a bad situation ever, regardless of the circumstance. Those are not risks worth taking. And Stephanie McMahon has a great point. It's all about the safety of the superstars who are there to perform and all the fans from around the world that are in attendance. As of this moment, WrestleMania is still expected to go as planned, but like Stephanie implied, if things continue to get out of hand, WWE will have no other choice and will not hesitate to cancel the event for the safety of their talent and fans. Not to mention the absolute destruction it will bring to the show if a main event superstar gets sick and WWE has to panic and find a replacement for their spot at WrestleMania. That will be tragic to the WrestleMania card and will leave the locker room in shambles trying to fill the sick superstar's role. We've seen this before in 2018, where an illness quickly spread in the locker room and caused several huge superstars, such as Bray Wyatt and Roman Reigns, to miss out on the pay-per-view event. Bray and Roman were traveling together, so when one got sick, the illness quickly made its way to the other, and WWE had to panic and look for some last-minute replacements. If something like that would happen to the biggest show of the year, it would be beyond devastating. So let's hope nothing like that breaks out among the talent. We'll continue to monitor this situation regarding WrestleMania's status, and we'll make a follow-up if any more information is released. What are your thoughts on this tough situation for WWE? Leave your comments, don't forget to subscribe, and leave a like if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys.